Welcome to another Experience Widener powered by Modern Campus Involved tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about how to revise an event registration or another form that may have been denied. So first and foremost, you're going to receive an email that says that your event has been denied. The denied reason is going to show up right in the email so that you're able to see everything, but you can also click in to the PDF to open it in full so that you have access to view exactly what it was you submitted the original time. Though the form instructs you to submit a new response, there's an easier way, so let me walk you through how to do that. To ensure you don't have to resubmit a brand new form anytime that you receive a denial, let's start with going to Experience Widener and viewing the student portal. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to click into your profile area. From there, you will see this area right here says responses. Go ahead and click into there. And this is going to be every form that you have ever submitted. So what you will do is you will click into the event registration that has been denied. You'll see that it has been denied right here, and you'll be able to see the entire form that you submitted and click edit. What this is going to do is allow you to make edits or changes to your original form and resubmit it through the approval process. In doing this, that means that you no longer have to start over. Instead, you can just come in here, make a quick edit, and resubmit. So for this, it was denied because it was a training for a tutorial video. But let's say this email was wrong and I just needed to update it to be correct. We're going to go in and make that change. And then you're going to see that your submit for approval button reappears. So I'm going to go ahead, submit for approval. And once that goes through, you're going to see that the form is officially pending again. This will alert the folks who are doing the approvals that, hey, this event has come back through the approval process. From there, we'll be able to go in, approve it, and you will be all set. You'll even be able to see revision history. So if you want to know what the approval process looks like, it will show up over here, and you can see for this specific form, I'm the first line of approval, then it goes to student engagement, then facilities, and then your advisor will be notified. Under revisions, you can see, okay, these are the areas that have been altered. But this is what was originally there. So you can click in and see exactly what changed and exactly why it was denied. So again, this is the best way that you can make those changes and revise a form that has been denied. So if you have any questions, of course, you are more than welcome to stop by the Office of Student Engagement. We are located on the lower level of the University Center, right across from the Esports Lounge. Our office assistants and professional staff are around to assist you with anything that you might need.